Hello everyone. So I am on my way to my morning work and I thought why not to take you all along with me to witness the beauty that I enjoy each and every day. So let's start. In the hustles of life, we often forget to spend time with ourselves and end up feeling restless. Just grab 1 hour of your day, go for a walk, spend some time with nature, with yourself, and get regenerated each and every day. Hello everyone. So it's been 7 o'clock and now it's time to go home. So see you there. And I hope you guys like the video. So if you like it, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.